Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have Colorful Leaf, and these should be a pack of underpants. So let's see what we got here. It is, so we have, how many are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of these, and I will show you what they look like here. So here we go. So this is it. They are kind of like boxer briefs here, and they are really comfortable looking ones. They're kind of thin. I don't know if you can see, they're kind of spandexy. You can see they've got, oh, I don't know what I pushed. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay. So this is them here. They've got a nice spandex feel, but they're not super tight. So they're just comfortable and they fit up here good. I'm about 190 pounds and 5'10", so you can kind of get an idea of how they fit here. So they fit pretty good. Got a nice fit. They kind of have a little bit of hold in there. And I got size medium. So these are black and medium. So these are nice and comfortable. And these will be my new go-to underpants, I guess. So this is what I'll be wearing for the next while. So they're comfortable and they're good. I like them. Thumbs up.